am not against the principle of taxing profits that are genuine windfalls, but as he will know very well in the energy industry, it is a very cyclical industry, and there are businesses that have periods of feast and famine, and you have to be very careful that you don't tax companies in a way that drives away investment. So we have said that nothing is off the table.
The major problem is mortgage availability, and an awful lot of mortgages have been pulled off the market. So interest rates are going up anyway. What today's measures have done is, I think, pulled interest rate levels off their peaks and brought them more into line with the global average.